Technology shapes nearly every part of our lives. From the video games you play to the secure networks that power businesses, computer science drives the technology that runs our world. At Morgan Community College, our computer science program helps you build the skills behind the technology. You'll learn about computer systems, programming, networking, and cybersecurity, all while developing the problem-solving mindset that powers modern innovation. This program is hands-on from the start. You'll work directly with computer hardware, networking equipment, and the same software and tools used by IT professionals in the field today. Students will gain experience installing hardware and operating systems, building secure networks, and writing code to solve real-world problems. The fun doesn't stop in the classroom. Join our MCC Coders Club to test out game mechanics, build interactive web apps, and host our gaming lounge in the Student Center each semester. You can even compete in our annual hackathon and collaborate with your friends who share your passion. These skills open doors to careers in IT support, help desk, programming, networking, cybersecurity, and data centers. Whether you want to level up your skills for game design, artificial intelligence, or the systems that power the internet, computer science can take you there. Technology is always changing. With the right skills, you can change with it. Start building your future in technology at Morgan Community College today.